Hello friends, welcome to SlideHunt with the video tutorial on mental math. To visit my channel, type www.youtube.com/SlideHunt. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how to cube of a number. There are different techniques to find out the cube of a number, but you have to choose the best one so that you can solve the problem in lesser time. Here I'm gonna show you a technique that will be helpful to you, and at the end of the video I'll tell you some trick, so keep watching this video till end. For more videos on mental math, check my video description. So let's get started. You can see here I write here the cube of 1 to 9. You must learn this. If you can learn more, that's very good, but at least you have to learn the cube of numbers from 1 to 9. Okay, first we have to take a number, let's say 14. Now we find the cube of 14. Here we consider first digit as A and second digit as B. Here A is 1 and B is 4. So what we do here, cube the first digit, that is A cube, then square the first digit and multiply with second, that is A square B. Next square the second digit and multiply with first, that is AB square, and then cube the second digit. Next we double the two middle numbers, that is 2A square B and 2AB square. Now we add these numbers. This is the main logic. Let's cube 14. 1 square is 1, then square 1 and multiply with 4. 1 square is 1, 1 times 4 is 4. Then square 4 and multiply it with 1. 4 square is 16. 16 times 1 is 16. And then cube 4. 4 cube is 64. Double the two middle digit. Double of 4 is 8. And double of 16 is 32. Now add this number. From each number we take only one digit. If the number has two digits, we add the leftmost digit to the next number as carry. So we write here 4 and 6 is carry. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. We write here 4 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Here we take only one digit, so we consider 5 as carry. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. We write here 7 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the cube of 14 is 2744. Let's take another number. This time I'm gonna take 22. Cube the first number. 2 cube is 8. Square the first number and multiply it with second. 2 square is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Square the second number and multiply it with first. 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. And then cube the second number. 2 cube is 8. Double the middle two numbers. Double of 8 is 16. And here we also write 16. Now add this number. We write here 8. 16 plus 8 is 24. We write here 4 and 2 is carry. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 16 is 26. We write here 6 and 2 is carry. 8 plus 2 is 10. So cube of 22 is 10,648. Take another number. I'm gonna take 53. Cube the first number. Cube of 5 is 125. Square the first number. 5 square is 25. 25 times 3 is 75. Square the second number and multiply it with first. 3 square is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Cube the second number, that is 27. Double the middle two numbers. Double of 75 is 150 and double of 45 is 90. Now add this number. 2 is carry. 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 is carry. Adding this number we get 238. We consider 23 as carry. 125 plus 23 is 148. So the cube of 53 is 148877. Let's take another number. Here we also use the same logic. Cube of 4 is 64. Square of 4 is 16. 16 times 1 is 16. Square of 1 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. And cube of 1 is 1. Double of 4 is 8. And double of 16 is 32. Now add this number. 1. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 is carry. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 plus 32 is 49. We write here 9 and 4 is carry. 64 plus 4 is 68. So cube of 41 is 68,921. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you some trick. Trick 1. How to find out the cube of a number with decimal point. For example, you have to find out the cube of 1.4. We can write 1.4 as 14 by 10. Cube of 10 is 1000. So we can write it as 14 cube by 1000. We can easily find out the cube of 14 using this method. 14 cube is 2744. Now count how many zeros are there in 1000. There are 3 zeros. So add a point after 3 digits starting from the right hand side. So the cube of 1.4 is 2.744. It's very easy. Let's try for another number. Let's cube 4.1. Cube of 41 is 68,921. Just add a point after 3 digits from the right hand side. So the cube of 4.1 is 68.921. Let's cube 5.3. Cube of 53 is 148877. Here we just add a point after 3 digits from right hand side. And the result is 148.877. Trick 2. Few minutes ago we learned how to cube 22. Here is the procedure. If you notice it carefully, then you can find out one thing. Here all the numbers are same, that is 8, which is the cube of 2. If the numbers are same, for example 22, 33, 44, 55 and so on, then we just cube any one digit because they are same and write 4 times. Let's try for 33. Cube of 3 is 27. So we write here 27 4 times. Double the middle two numbers. Double of 27 is 54. Now add this number. So the cube of 33 is 35,937. Let's try for another number. 44. Cube of 4 is 64. So we write here 64 4 times. Now double the middle two numbers, that is 128. Now add this number and we get 85,184. This is it. Hope you like this video. Please share it and click on the like button on YouTube. I'll be back with another tutorial. Till then, stay healthy and keep learning.